Welcome back to BBQ Guys. Today I'm going to be searing up this beautiful Wagyu ribeye on my Blaze Kamado, and for a side, I'm going to roast some lemon garlic cauliflower. This is an easy keto recipe that comes together really quick, and it's one you could really treat yourself to. Let's get to it. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah. Melt in your mouth. With the countless number of steaks that I've had, already being my favorite cut, which is ribeye, man, this Wagyu steak is melt in your mouth. Like, you can pretty much probably cut it without a knife. Searing it on that plate really gave it an all-over crust, which just amplifies that flavor. That thick grain salt that I use just brings everything together, guys. This is melt in your mouth. Cheers. That's good. I do not like cauliflower, but that's good. Look, you can just cut it with a fork. Real easy. Check back again with us soon. And remember, at BBQ Guys, we smoke the competition.